Have you ever heard of paradise? I'll take you there, away from here, where the sun is shine and warm another day. My brothers and sisters, I'll take you there. Hello guys, I'm Charles, and I'm damn busy. I was busy to make me a small breakfast because I already eat my porridge, and now I'm busy with my bread. As you can see in the video, I toast my bread. See there, I toast it, and I put a spread on, liver spread. I don't drink coffee or tea, so I make myself a cup of warm water. I like warm water. Sometimes I mix it with a little bit of cold water because I think it's more healthier to drink it like water. Okay, and here you can see I'm busy now because I'm busy with my daily job now, and I'm looking at the video now of acrylic paint, and the artist's name is Frank Clarks. So he's an artist who show the young artists or other person don't know how to paint acrylics. He's also a painting museum. I watched it a few minutes ago, introduction to watercolors, because I'm an oil painter, or can I say I'm an oil painter specialist, and I learn every day because I learn now watercolors. Okay, I do watercolors, but not the right. There's always a right way or a wrong way. All I can say, there's not a wrong way, it's all the way a right way. Okay, but it is what you make from it, because when you make it the wrong way is when you do not do what the artist or the person who teach you that, as you know, the way it is, so that then it is a wrong way. But when it's the right way, it is still when it's something where you created yourself, there is not a wrong way. So in this video, I see there now is he show us how to make tree trunks, houses, people, trees out of acrylic paints. Okay, the video is in front of me now on the laptop. I will not show you now that because otherwise I always use only one camera at this time, and when I use two cameras, I put one on the picture or the video, and the one I put it on my face, and the other one from a different direction. So that is it, guys, and I will show you in a few videos from now. I think I will change now from, okay, it's still winter. It says, okay, it's winter, but it's still dry. Not raining much in this country, so. But I will show you later on from my new other other videos like the plants and the things, roses and so on, because there is a new video on its way from my roses, but that is only the time when my roses after they're germinating, they will come out, and I will make another video from it, or videos, and I show you from the small rose plant till now. Sorry. So that is it, and I will connect with you. Last week I was at a workshop, Cape Craft Design Institute in Cape Town, and that was how it take place in a building there, American Corner, and that is a company from America. I don't know who, but it's some organization from America, and they, or the government from America, as you can say so, who sponsor for us that money. Okay, there's the videos I downloaded because I expected to start it from there, and it's finished now. Okay, but what I can say to you, I was at a workshop there, and the workshop's name was Creativity Workshop, yeah, and that was all about artists, painters, any kind of business, and skills. I learned a lot of skills in that video, out in that workshop there, and I also think that American organization, or the government of America, I myself say thank you for them to put so much money in our society, so to help us to go further with the talents, and who can expose our businesses. So thank you very much to all the companies and people who are in that project, and make it possible for us in South Africa and all the other countries around the world to learn more skills from your behalf. So thank you guys, and I will come back to you in this week, and I will show you more from my videos, and enjoy the day, enjoy the week. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye. Have you ever heard of paradise? I'll take you there, away from here, where the sun is shining and warm another day. My brothers and sisters, I'll take you there.